YouTube. Good afternoon and good day. And I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. You know what I mean? I don't know. I really appreciate all my subscribers then. I really appreciate all my friends here because now we became one big family. So I want to say thank you. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for being here. My old subscribers, thank you for staying here. And also my to be a subscriber, thanks for thinking about subscribing. Like I said, my name is Troystarz, you already know, and this channel is about trucking. But beyond trucking, we try to do more things in terms of places where I travel, for people that I meet, interviews with other people. We try to put everything in one. So I just want to take this time out to say thank you all, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And also, I try to put something together just for the Christmas, just for the holiday, just for you guys, So, Troystarz, be right back after these messages, and thank you for tuning in. God bless. Please.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, I. It's all about a crime-free Christmas, right? We're gonna do it this Christmas. Definitely. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. And from now on, our troubles will be out of sight. I'm a big deal. Yeah, me and my friend, I'm a big deal. Wanna listen up, I'm very important. Important for real. And let me tell you straight, I'm a big deal. Christmas, it is a big deal. In Jamaica, it's very, very, very important. Important for real. This has nothing to do with the money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. So big up your chest and stand proud, and don't matter about nobody, no man no more than no man pon this earth. So whether you walk or you a drive car, it no matter if you white or black like tar. Me say from you feel good in yourself, you're a star. Push up on the one and tell all the haters I'm a big deal. Yeah, me and my friends, them a big deal. Wanna listen up, it's very important. Important for real. Christmas in Jamaica is a big deal. And this is a big deal. Now listen up, it's very, very, very important. Important for real. It's like you have the Prime Minister, Lord, and then you have a way. That's how the order in a few country. And yes, that's the status of the hierarchy. Ask anybody about it. And a 4-point town, what the great point of rich. And we never cheat, a cop if you get it. You have your dreams and nobody can stop it. Just walk out, bust a blank and say I'm a big deal. Yeah, me and my friends, them a big deal. Wanna listen when me tell you, say it's very important. Yes, we are important for real. In Jamaica, it's a big deal. Yes, Christmas, it's a big deal. Let's keep it crime-free, cause it's very important. Important for real. Okay. Yeah, this is Christopher Martin, and I'm endorsing a crime-free Christmas. You understand? Let us all remember the true meaning of Christmas. Let's enjoy it together. Let's have fun together. Let's love each other as a nation. You understand? Yeah, man. Crime-free Christmas. Peace. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.